Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome to Guidance and Counseling by Rana Ali at the rate Rana 4563. Dear candidates and students, today we will discuss the MCQs on general knowledge which have already been given in PMA 143 long course. And these MCQs were shared by the candidate himself, which appeared in PMA 153 long course, and that candidate cleared that test. So let's start. First, Muazzin of Islam. Answer is Hazrat Bilal Razillah Ta'ala anhu. Asadullah is the title of its Hazrat Ali Razillah Ta'ala anhu. Abu Jahl was killed in which battle? He was killed in Badr. Hazrat Ibrahim had sons. Hazrat Ibrahim had two sons. Which month comes before Shawwal? It's Ramazan. OIC is organization of Islamic countries. Indus Water Treaty under which compulsion? It's under World Bank. USSR demolished in 1991. In Indus Water Treaty, the sign of which two leaders written? One is Ayub Khan and other is Jawaharlal Nehru. Largest country by area, it's Russia. Largest country by population, China. A tenure of Judge of International Court of Justice, 9 years. Tashkent Treaty was made with the help of Soviet Union. Old name of Makkah is Bakka. Hudaybiyah is name of it's a place. Length of Khandak. Length of Khandak in miles. It's 5 miles. Where is the boat of Nu stop? Judi in Turkey. Where Pak did nuclear test? It's Rasko Va Chagi Hill in Balochistan. When British entered in Sindh, they entered in 1843. Which pass connect Pak-Afghanistan border? It's Khyber Pass. What is the length of Pak-Afghan border? So it's 2,252 kilometers. Quaid-e-Azam leave Congress in 1920. Pak bought Gwadar from Oman. Who is founder of Urdu Defense Association? It's Mohsen Mulk. Urdu-Hindi controversy start from which city? It started from Banaras, capital of Mongolia. It's Ulaanbaatar. In which constitution Islamic law declares its 1956 constitution? He opened the door. So here is given the black space. So it might be he opened the door slowly. The price of this road is 2, mean black space, so it's cheap. He shouted, dash at him, dash mean it's a black space. So angrily, Ali is in dash of this house, the garden. I should delight if I dash join you. So if I will join you. Pronoun are replaced by noun. Next is the ecstasy its synonym is happiness. If a statement is always truth, then called product of cube root of unity is 1. If E greater than 1, then conic is, so it is hyperbola. If two rows of matrix are identical, then determinant is 0. Next is derivative of 3 into 2. So its answer is 6. But if you see uh, it's this answer 6 is basically as the people who are very expert in mathematics, they think so, but the correct answer is 0. If x, y, z and 40 have average 10, then find average x, y, z. So it's 0. So dear candidates, these questions like MCQs, you may say it's a mixture of general knowledge as well as verbal intelligence tests. So these were given in PMA 143 long course, and these were attempted by a candidate who cleared that PMA 143 long course. He himself shared these uh, questions, and a sort of you can say these are the MCQs on general knowledge as well as these are verbal intelligence test. So it's a pattern. You can prepare yourself on this pattern. It's a good clue for you what sort of questions you must prepare for PMA 154 long course. So do prepare yourself wholeheartedly, committedly. May Allah succeed you in PMA 154 long course. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.